Today we're gonna make a little dragon. Are you ready? First, we're gonna choose a color for the dragon's body and head. Make a ball for the dragon's head and a longer teardrop shape for the dragon's body. At this point, I was decided to change the color of the body and the head, so I was trying to make a pink colors. I used a little bit red to mix with a lot of white. If you have a problem to mix colors, I have a video. It's showing you how to mix all different kind of color with just the primary color of the air dry clay. It's under my YouTube channel named Iwan Chen. Please feel free to check it out. Now you see the color has a little bit marble look, which means I didn't mix completely well to let a little bit color showing through here and there. Follow the video, make the shape like that, and now it's time to think of what color you're gonna use for the ear. So I was take a look at the green color on top of the dragon's head. It's pretty or not? And I really not like it, so I still using pink. The pink, it's making two same size ball to make the ear. You can make the ear bigger or smaller, you decided. At this point, you can decide to make any kind of a shape for the ear. So I was trying a few different shapes for the ear because I want to make the dragon it's sleeping look like sleeping, so the ear will flap down a little bit, because I saw my dog when she's sleeping, the ear will just come down to her face, so that's how I got the idea. Did you see how I poked the hole for the nostril? It's just use a plain old pencil. Now roll two very skinny darker color snake for the eyelashes. Both sides of the eyelashes it's more pointier than the middle part. I think like that one more prettier. And I also use the tool to press down some lines, so that will more look like the eyelashes. So I think the ear really should have some improvements. So I finally decided the ear would just gently will grow like that. It's not because the ear stood up, it just grow like that. So the dragon can sleep peacefully, not like there's something bothers her. Now I use a little bit green to mix with a lot of white, trying to make a light green colors. So as you can see, I already made the first, like the unicorn horn. It's red on top of the head, and I decided to use a rainbow color for the back of the dragons. And I put some spot on top of the nose. What do you think? Are you gonna put something else? Or what are you thinking to decorate the dragons? Now it's time to make the very long, like an eyebrow-ish on top of the head. I don't know how to call that, but it looks like the eyebrow to me, so I call that the dragon eyebrows. So everybody is decorate is the different way. Everybody want a different look, so you can decide it however you want. And what I did is just an example for you, so you all feel free to decorate however you want. The spike on the back of the dragon, actually if you want to use this dragon to hold your pen or hold a brush, you can make it bigger. I have made the other dragon for holding my paintbrushes. It's working very good. So if the spike is smaller, it still work for the smaller brushes. So that is just the idea. And I decided to put a little bit green color for the eyeshadows. So I will put it on top of the eyelashes. Yeah, I think like that will be more prettier. I was using the Crayola Model Magic Air Dry Clay. It's very soft material before it dries. So right now I'm trying to not touch the dragon's body and head because that will very easy to change the shape. Now I prepare 2 same size balls to make the leg of the dragon. 2 front legs will same size and 2 back legs also need the same size. I was decided to use a little darker paint for the leg. What do you think? What kind of color are you gonna use for the leg of your dragons? For the back leg, this dragon need 2 shapes. One is a round shape, one is the cylinder shape. So I put the cylinder shape under the dragon first. This is the back leg. Yeah, the clay is very easy to stick on it. So now here is the front leg. So stick for both sides under the head. And I used also 2 small balls for the stronger back leg. Now guess what I am making. I used the light green color to make a very long snake, and also there's a white color also. I cut a lot of small dots. Make a wild guess what I am trying to do. Well, now you can see I was trying to use this white and green color to decorate the back of the dragons. I want to add some polka dots on the back. You can decide to maybe add a wing on it so the dragon can fly. And what you see on my hand is some kind of a clay project I have done before. And I have coated 1 or 2 layers of the Mod Podge to protect the surface. So you will see a little bit shiny on the surface of the clay. After the clay project is dry, I highly recommend it to put a couple layers of the Mod Podge on it. After the Mod Podge dry, your project will a lot more stronger, not easy to broken apart, especially those a little spike or little polka dots will just stay with your project and nice and cool. Now the dragon is done. What do you think? What is your dragons look like? I would love to see it. If you send me the image, I will post on my Instagram page. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I will see you next time.